Hey Archero fans! Want to level up faster in Archero 2 without wasting energy or time? I've got you covered with 5 fast tips that actually work. Let's dive right in. First is to do your dailies. What does it mean? Every day you log in and complete your daily dungeons, quests, and even event challenges. These are the easiest way to rack up experience and gold. Don't skip them. Second tip we have is to use your energy wisely. Energy is limited, so spend it smart. Focus on stages that give good loot and XP. Pro tip: get the Hunting Warrior card for extra energy and quick hunts. Another one we have is upgrade gear first. Don't waste gold on random stuff. Upgrade your gear first, especially your weapon and amulet. Strong gear equals faster clears equals faster leveling. Second to the last tip is to join a guild. Join an active guild and do those guild quests. You'll get extra XP, gold, and guild coins, which you can use to buy rare items. And lastly, play special modes. Don't ignore the Gold Cave, Sky Tower, or special events because these give tons of rewards and let you level up way faster than regular stages. And for the bonus tip we have is to choose or pick the right hero. Characters like Alex are perfect for beginners, but if you want to deal massive damage fast, try Otta because he's a critical beast. That's how you level up fast in Archery too. Got your own pro tips? You can drop them in the comments. That's it.